Garden Quest is a nonprofit educational organization that focuses on the full cycle of food. Part of that is providing the soil with the nutrients it needs to then feed the plants.
Boksahi is pickling or fermenting your food waste. So it goes in this bucket right here, okay? And it layers it with this bran that has a microbe, which is a little microscopic entity that then ferments the food waste. Normally, if you're gonna compost it, it takes 9 to 12 months for that to happen. In this process, it happens 2 weeks in this bucket.
Anything that we can do that reduces the amount of waste that's going for disposal is important for all of us and for the environment.
So it would be 3 teaspoons at the bottom to start out. The IDEM grant basically allowed us to jumpstart a larger program.
One of my favorite stories is a gentleman named Don. His wife and him came to one of our workshops last year, and they've taken it on. And he said, we've had a culture shift in our family. When it's time to put the food waste in, my son and I do this together. It's built a community just within them around food waste, which you would never expect. And without IDEM's grant, we wouldn't have had the buckets to do that. So it's enabled Garden Quest to expose more community members to this program and allow them to try it until they decide this is awesome, we're gonna buy our own buckets.